So the reason why I am here, why I came here actually, like just outside of Oughterard, like 3 kilometers away, you have the second largest lake in Ireland. It's such a peaceful and beautiful place. So you can see here there are many boats. It's probably for kayaking or whatever. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. Like when I checked the Google map, it says launch berth for kayaks, so on. Such a peaceful place. It's like there's no one here around. There's only one car and me. So I'll get closer here to give you a better look. Seems like it's the old boats. I'm not quite sure. Look at here. People using them, or just they put them here and I don't know what they're waiting for. But they look so old. But just imagine just picture the peace here. So the reason why I am here, why I came here actually, so me and my friend, we're planning for a boat trip. There's an island in the middle of the lake, so soon enough we will go there. So I just came here today to see if I can get some drone footage, because the weather here is unpredictable. So just in case, sometimes I have to do a couple of stuff twice. Like in my laptop, like you can find, I have many videos actually halfway done, because like when I was going around and if it's windy, then I can't do footage, or the voice is kind of terrible. So just quality. It's not all just I'm throwing the videos over there on YouTube. Guys, I want to show you what I see. So now I show you, look, this is the view you can have here. Beautiful, isn't it? Now I'm gonna try to fly the drone, but I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you guys, if I can make it or not. But anyway, I can just do some footage here around. It's so beautiful. It's my first time here, to be honest. And this is Grace, my lovely car, saying hi to everyone. Why Grace? It's a long story. One day I'll talk about it. My God, this is so peaceful, this is so nice. Look at the sky, let me show you the sky.